It's been a long time, right? I'm telling you, I want to go to Hey! Come in! Where you guys going? Do you people know where you're from? Where you going? Look at this one. Why you dressing like that?
Know where you're going,
Why you dressing like that?
Your mama know you. Look at your
age group. Is in Lagos, is in America, studying for medicine, and you people look at your dress code. Where is Mama Ada?
Jesus!
This idiot girl.
One eternity later.
See, I was saying, look at this.
Hey,
Did the mama know I'm talking?
Papa know this stupid girl.
See how they going.
These stupid smelly ones, I'm telling you now, Hello. God will punish them.
No, don't.
God will punish them.
No, now.
Their mate is in Lagos. Look at them. Where we skip these clothes,
Useless children.
Where we skip.
Look at these useless children.
Let us go.